Hi everyone, today I would like to talk about composting. I'll just show you a rough idea of how I do my composting. So basically here are my buckets that have already existing. The orange one has some existing compost which is complete, and this is my ongoing bucket. As you can see, it's almost full. So here is my first this is the trash generated in the last 2 days, and this is my dry leaves sack. So basically as you can see the bucket has lots of holes, and this is the lid. I have some holes on this as well, and there is a hole at the bottom of the bucket too. So what you would do is now that I have enough experience, I just dump all of my all of my waste into the bucket, and then this is my first video, so you will see a lot of shaking. And then see, this was my wet waste, so now I cover it up with dry leaves. You can take for every handful of wet waste you can take 2 handfuls of dry waste. But now that I have an idea, I don't do my counting. I know relatively how much amount of dry leaves go, and even if sometimes you fall short on the dry leaves, it's okay, because what that does is it just makes your compost a little wet, so you may have a lot more leachate than normal. So I close the bucket, and as you can see, there are no fruit flies, no maggots. I mean, there will be maggots. I have a little ants, red ants. See, you can see a lot of red ants, but I'm okay with that. This is my already prepared compost. You can see how nice brownish, and if you smell it, it's just earthy. So there is no leftover vegetable peels or anything. You can see it's just pure brown or blackish. This was a corn, and you can see it for having pure black compost. But I don't do all that. I just leave it as it is and put it on my plants. Yes, I have lots of other saplings that come out because of this, which I'm okay with again. So this was a short video. So basically what I do is, this is my first bucket. I let it be full. Once it's full, it goes here outside. It stands outside. And this was my previously complete bucket. Now this, I dump it in my second bucket, and the empty one comes back to this position, and this sits out there. And then as this gets full, I put everything in here, and then by the time it comes, the big blue becomes the big orange. All of the leachate, everything is consumed, everything is removed, and I'm just left with pure black gold, which is ready to harvest. So right now, my bucket will be finished in a couple of days. Then I'll do the exchange, and because this is ready, I'll just go ahead and put it in my plants, up on the terrace as well as on the ground. And so this becomes empty, and then I just shuffle the places. So that's how I do my composting. If you have questions, please feel free to ask or call. Thank you.